Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you how to make a down on the farm breakfast. It's super easy, super simple, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up our potatoes into 1/4-inch pieces, and then we're going to chop up our onion. We want to get the nice diced onion look. I did shallot. You could do regular ones, totally up to you. And then we're going to take a green bell pepper and we're going to pit it, and then we're going to dice that up as well. You can dice it whatever way you want. This is how I like to do it, but completely up to you. It's your kitchen. After that, we're going to take our bacon and we're going to cook it. So we want to cook it to where it's crispy, but not overly crispy, just because we are going to be putting it back into the pan later. So we really want the brown edges on there, and that's going to be a good indicator that it's done, and to put it onto a paper towel for it to sit until that grease kind of soaks up. So as you can see here, there is that brown coloring on the outside, so we know that it is all good and ready to take out. But we are going to save our bacon grease because we are going to use it to cook our potatoes. And with your potatoes, you can do regular ones. I just like mini potatoes when it comes to stuff like this because it gives you more even distribution in your bites, and that is a big thing for me. So we're going to put those in face side down, add some time, and put a lid on there for those to simmer. And while that's simmering, we're going to take our eggs, put some milk, our seasonings, our bacon, and some Tabasco sauce in there and mix it all up. And we're going to put this to the side and save it for later, and you will see why in just a moment. We're going to take our onions and our bell peppers and put them in with the mixture once those potatoes have crisped up a little bit. Not too much, but we do want them crispy. And then we're going to cook those by themselves without the egg mixture just until they're about fragrant and like slightly soft, but not all the way soft. And once you do get to that point, that's when we're going to put the egg mixture in, just because they are going to continue to cook in that egg mixture. Now, if you watch this, you can see that the eggs start cooking basically from the bottom up. So you're going to want to mix and essentially fold your eggs up to the top, because if you just mix on the top, you're just going to be mixing the liquid and you're not going to see the cooked ones on the bottom, and then the eggs are going to get stuck to the bottom of the pan and they might burn. So we really want to fold from the bottom up, and you're just going to stir until all of that liquid is cooked. It's super simple, super easy. Put a lid on it if you want for good measure, just to really get all of that liquid, but that's it. You guys have a bomb breakfast. You could eat it plain or put it in a breakfast burrito, whatever you want. But if you like this video, like, rate, subscribe. dailyrecipes.co is our website for any more recipes you want to look at. And bon appetit, y'all.